Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PlayStation 4 controller's headphone jack on your personal computer. First, ensure your controller is connected to your PC, either via a USB cable or Bluetooth. Next, you'll need to install a specific piece of software to properly recognize the controller and its audio capabilities. This setup allows you to route all game audio and voice chat directly through your controller, offering a convenient and immersive experience without needing separate headphones for your PC. To get started, download the latest version of DS4 Windows from its official website. Once downloaded, extract the files to a folder you can easily access. Launch the DS4 Windows application, and it will guide you through installing any required drivers, typically a few quick steps. After installation, create a new profile. Within this profile, you can customize various settings, including ensuring the audio output is correctly routed through your controller's headphone jack, which is crucial for the next step. With DS4 Windows running, connect your PlayStation 4 controller. If using USB, simply plug it in. For Bluetooth, go to your PC's Bluetooth settings and pair the controller. Once connected, navigate to your computer's sound settings. You should see an option for wireless controller or headset earphone, wireless controller, among your playback devices. Select this as your default audio output. Now, any sound from your PC, including game audio and voice chat, will be directed through your controller's 3.5mm jack. If you encounter any issues, first verify that DS4 Windows is actively running. Also, double-check your computer's sound mixer to ensure the controller is selected as the output and not muted. For Bluetooth connections, updating your Bluetooth drivers can resolve common audio stuttering or disconnection problems. For the most reliable experience, especially during intense gaming, a wired USB connection is often preferred, offering consistent audio and minimal latency. Enjoy your enhanced gaming audio experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.